so this is the lawnmower project again. This is part 3 of the update trio series here. And, well, as you can see, it's hooked up, but not beautifully hooked up. It has a massive air leak. It doesn't run beautifully, and it floats a valve.
This is a temporary intake manifold, by the way.
And so today we're going to seek out to finish this and get it driving good, at least.
Yeah.
See what we can do.
So I think today we're going to work on finish welding this exhaust outlet here. Put a gasket in the manifold. Maybe do something with the intake. We need to, but we're not really sure how right now. And then if we get that done, hood stack. And then she'll be pretty much drivable.
Yeah.
Yep. Exhaust exit has been welded, bolted, gasket in there. I'm going to mention this is not a heat-rated gasket. This is just a temporary gasket, like most things on this mower. Temporary. So we'll see how that works. All right, so our next step is intake. And we were thinking, like, this carburetor just really, it runs really weird, and it just has, like, no power. So then we just, like, dropped down to Napa real quick, and we got, like, the next, just a little.
Yeah, just a little carburetor. Just something simple.
Double pumper.
Yeah, just an 1150 double pumper, nothing special, you know. Alrighty, we're taking the grill out because we need to make some room for this hood to go back on the turbo so we have a place for a hood stack. Because obviously, hood stack without a hood would just be a stack, and that's stupid. So, grill's out, hood stack's going on.
Yeah, so this mounting bracket gets in the way of the the turbo gets in the way of this mounting bracket, so we're just gonna cut this here and weld it up on here so it gets out of the way for the turbo, and then see how that works. And once we get the hood mounted, we can work on the actual hood stack using that piece. Yeah. So we got the hood mounts kind of better, but now it mounts on, and then it folds down. But now the ram air, since the hood's all bent, the ram air kind of interferes with the engine, so it doesn't sit down all the way. So we're just going to take the ram air out because it doesn't really serve a purpose at this point. But other than that, shut the hood, you walk back here, bam. I mean, that's going to be cool. All right, we got the hood on. It fits decent.
Somewhat, yeah.
Somewhat.
We did have to take the ram air completely off. We cut it off.
Ram air.
Ram air, goodbye.
In the trash.
Yeah. It just didn't fit. So, who needs cooling when you can have an awesome looking turbo?
Yeah. Who needs cooling? Here's an idea of what it'll look like.
Yeah, let's set it on there. Just kind of probably be.
Yeah, wherever.
Probably like that.
Yeah, that's a piece of 5-inch exhaust, by the way.
Yeah, it's pretty big. Alrighty. So, this mess of a hood stack thing was created by us, but it's going to work for now. And we're just going to, block it up with the massive stack that we have, wherever that is. That's over there. So, yeah, that was a quick update. Now, I'll buff this sucker off, get it welded on there, and maybe use some of these blocking plates if we need to.
All right, so hood stack is on, turbo's on, intake is not on. We're just leaving the cold side tube just hanging out. We're just gonna fire it up. Kind of know what it's gonna sound like. We don't really know what it's gonna sound like with this tip on.
And in truth, we don't really know if it's going to start. But let's find out.
We don't really know if it's going to start, but here we go. First start with new exhaust. No, it's not going to start. That's your answer there.
So this has been the final update video. This is a full summary of what we've done. We've put, in this video anyway, massive hood stack, refitted the hood so it would actually close on the turbocharger, and started doing some more mock-up work. The next time you'll see this thing, it'll be running with a full turbocharger, full boost, all the way.
That's what we're running with right now.
Yeah. Next time, maybe we'll put like a big 5-inch flapper on there. So next time you see it, it'll be running with turbo boost.